Today we're out here at the Edwards Demonstration Training and Learning Center. Our sales team is getting some one-on-one time with the staff here. Let's go check out what they're doing.
My name is Kellen Harsheim. I'm the field sales manager for Altorfer Cat in Chicago. Today we are at the Edwards Proving Grounds outside of Peoria, Illinois. Each and every year we think it's important to bring in all of our sales representatives to go over some of the new products that we have to offer in the industry, as well as get valuable training time in the seat.
We've got multiple stations set up here where there's some time to ask questions. Questions like the details about how the machines run, how the settings are achieved. Any kind of questions that come up for each individual rep is what we're after.
So a nice thing is when Altorfer can bring their salesmen out here. We're out here running these machines. We're out here pretty much every day. We get to play with the system. Everyone has their own little niche here. And being different stations, they can go around and talk to the DIs and understand, hey, how exactly are these working? Clarifying a lot of maybe the unknowns about things and making it perfect. So when they do have a question from a customer standpoint, they can answer it, and also of the options that are available on these machines, factory, or some of the offerings you can get once you purchase it to keep upgrading to machine to machine.
All right, that's a wrap on today's training. Now, let's do the work.